Tism Bird. Oh my god, this makes first episode. Bald. Bald. Wait, actually. Poop. 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 Wait. Next one. Anything. Anyone else? My friends are actually online. Not the ones I just left here. Oh, bird. Hello. Mother bird. Mother bird. Mother bird. Mother bird. Mother bird. Stuck. Stuck. Oh. Wait, should we? It's lonely here. Wait, I've already done my course today, I believe. I have. Anyway. Another bird. Another bird. Another queen. I go to commit. Not arson? Death? I wish it was arson. I want to commit all the arson. In helpies. Helpies. Anything. People thank you and we did. Yeah, it is easier actually. That's actually a surprise. Tiny Tism Bird gets help from oh. Yay. Yay. Tism Bird, run. Run for your tiny little life. Run for your rocks. Run for your tiny little life, you tiny little Tism Bird. Rocks. Oh, Tism Bird, go! Why is my mouse being against me? This is not a time for my mouse to be against me. Actually, I don't know how I just did that so flawlessly. I did that by accident. Like, completely by accident. I did not mean to fly there. I don't care, because it was a complete flawless leap of the hardest part of that. Hello, child. I'm a Yoinky. Yoinky the child. Child is now mine.